Good evening. I'll be using this dtac Happy Tourist SIM card for my trip to Bangkok. This SIM card comes with 3 GB of high-speed data for 8 days and 100 baht of call credit. It normally costs 299 baht and can be bought at the airports of Bangkok, Phuket and Samui, all dtac stores and most convenience stores. However, I was already out of date. This SIM card now comes with 15 GB of high-speed data. You can order it on a website called Klook at a huge discount. These are the local rates. Please be aware that VAT will be charged on top of these rates. Calls to fellow dtac tourist SIM users are free. Also, the internet rate only applies after the first 8 days following the activation of your SIM card. Calls to Hong Kong, Mainland China, and the United States are very cheap at a baht per minute plus VAT. Calls to UK mobiles are way more expensive at 6 baht per minute. Meanwhile, calls to North Korea cost a whopping 40 baht per minute. You can top up your SIM card at dtac stores, convenience stores, and many other places. The minimum amount you can top up is 10 baht at the so-called online dtac resellers. Here's the fun part. This SIM card comes with many benefits, the most important one being the 8 days of travel insurance. The remaining benefits are very situational, and some of them require you to install the dtac Privileges app. While it was disappointing that the Grab promotion did not work for me, I find the discounts at Family Mart, Amazon Coffee, and DriveMate to be the most useful. Here's a Family Mart. You can spend 200 baht by buying a few cans of booze or 2 tubes of fluoride-free toothpaste. You can enable roaming by dialing *118#. Then you should search the dtac website for a suitable package for your destination country before topping up your call balance to cover the cost plus VAT. Since I would be heading to Malaysia, I chose this Go Travel package. In theory, I can have more data than I need in Malaysia for as little as 10 baht more, thus saving a little money. So, that's it for now. I hope this guide has been useful. With so many features and a much lower price than competitors, the dtac Happy Tourist SIM card is the best SIM card to get while in Thailand. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.